In this video we're going to look at how you can style the Gutenberg code block. So for a lot of people, they probably have used the code block before in the classic editor, maybe used some plugins to kind of implement it, what have you. In Gutenberg, dependent on your theme, the code block can be very, very plain. So without any edits, this is actually a code block. Now it looks fine, it looks clean. It's not kind of too busy or anything else. This is also a code block, and this is also a code block. But the thing that we don't like about it is that it doesn't really stand out from the rest of the content. It's very kind of lost within the content. So we just want to kind of give it a little bit of styling just to get it to stand out and make it look a bit more like, you know, a separate code block. So what we've done is literally just given it a small bit of styling like this. Just makes that stand out from the rest of the text, and makes it easier for people to kind of find when they're coming to your page. You know, this post, for example, and saying take me straight to the CSS code. So we go down, and here we can see, oh yeah, the code's just there. But if we did the same on this page, you know, we'd be like having to scroll and have a harder look trying to find it. So we can achieve this by a simple addition of some CSS. Okay, so all you need to do is go into your admin dashboard. All right, and what you do is I'll just close this out a second. Come on. Always takes its time. Okay, so what you'd do is you'd go into Appearance and then Customize. You then look for the additional CSS section. Okay, and then what you'd do is you'd add this code. Okay, and then to change the colors or the size of the darker blue border on the left. Okay, so you can change the size by changing this number, and you can change the color of that left border here by using a hex color code, and you can change the background color using this hex color code. Okay, and then we've just added some padding around that so that the text isn't right up against the edge. Alright, so copy that code. You can copy this from our blog post that we'll link in the bottom of the video. But yeah, it's just a really quick video of how to basically edit the or add some styling to the WordPress code block. Thanks very much. Give the video a like and a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.